Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening a terminal and making sure you have a working internet connection. Once done, you should verify software sources include the official Mint and Ubuntu repositories so packages are available. Now, you run sudo apt update to fetch the latest package lists. This step tells the package manager what changed and why upgrades are necessary. Make sure to read any repository warnings. If keys or PPAs are missing, resolve them first so subsequent upgrades won't fail. Once the lists are fresh, you run sudo apt upgrade to install current updates. This applies safe, non-disruptive package upgrades. If you need to allow package removals or replacements for kernel or major dependency changes, run sudo apt full upgrade, because it can handle more complex transitions. If apt reports held packages, run sudo apt mark show hold to inspect them, then unhold or reinstall as appropriate. Also use sudo apt fix broken install if dependencies block the process, then rerun the upgrade commands. You finish by rebooting when kernel or core library updates were installed. Use sudo reboot to ensure the new kernel and services are active. Afterwards, run sudo apt auto remove and sudo apt auto clean to free space and remove orphan packages. Make sure to confirm the Mint version and kernel with LSB release and unamr. If something goes wrong, immediately run sudo apt fix broken install and sudo dpkg configure a to repair package state, and check /var/log/ apt for clues before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.